Hi, I'm Elodie. I'm an industrial product designer.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So I've been asked to give a little speech about why I chose the LaserPecker and what do I do with it. I thought I might interest you to see the way I use laser cutting and laser engraving in my design process. In my line of work, rapid prototyping and testing are crucial to validate concepts, scale and details. Traditionally, I would 2D print orthographic views of my models. However, with the LaserPecker's precise cutting capability on thicker paper, I can now create, test multiple parts that seamlessly come together. I began exploring the potential of layering, which led me to experiment with color and personalized gifts for my loved one. I started making a wooden puzzle for kids, personalized labels for my sewing creation, and even engraved cups. The LaserPecker's engraving feature has truly elevated my products by adding intricate graphics and text. One of the main reasons I chose this particular model is its compactness. I work on my side project in my office. I appreciate having a machine that doesn't take so much space while being readily available to use. The LaserPecker has truly transformed the way I create and bring my idea to life. Its precision, versatility and user-friendly design makes it a perfect companion for any craft enthusiast or professional designer like me. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!